I am Brian, and we are going to be going over how to use PictoChart, which is a tool used to make infographics for a class. So we're going to be using this infographic specifically for our project over labor history of the United States and how you're going to use it to make information pieces about how to how your union wants to be organized. So that's what we're going to use it for. I'm just going to show you how to use some of the basic tools in it. And so let's go. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the website PictoChart, which is right up there, but I'm going to go search for it just so that you guys know what the website looks like. So you're going to click on the link to it, and then you're going to sign up, but I'm going to log in just since I already have an account. So the login, you're going to sign up using your own Google account through the school. So here's mine. I'm already logging in. So these are actually already my two infographics that I have made before for other materials. One about internet safety and one about programming, but we don't really care about that. So we're going to start with a new one. So you're going to click the infographic button right there, and you are going to either find a template that you like one of these down here, or you can you can create a blank template using that. I'm going to show using using another person's template just since it's going to be a little easier to try to do. So this one, it looks like it's based off a change.org petition, so whatever about that. So what we're going to do is, for this, we're going to, here's some different functions. So here's a text function right here. And so for this, let's say I'm going to call it, what should the name of the union be? Let's call it the Federation of U.S. Workers. So that will be the name of my fake labor union. And then so what you would want to do for this is you would want to add different facts and stuff in the different text box all throughout. You can insert images through this. So let's see. I can, sorry, done. So if I want to add a photo somewhere, I can either add your own images or you can click from one of theirs. So I'm going to add one of my own. So let's see, downloads, what images do I have? I could use one of the Pullman strike right here. So I'll choose that. It's going to upload, and then I'll click on it, and it appears on the infographic itself. So then, I'll delete this. So delete that, and I'll move the image of the Pullman strike right there. So, if you were, for this specifically, you could create your own graphic of what you want the what your union's logo to look like. So that can go there. And then you can write out, different facts about, who are we fighting for? Question mark. And then you can then write out all the facts down below of what the purpose of your union is, different things like that. So yeah, those are some of the basic functions. So let's go down. Let's see. I can show you how to change the background. So let's see. I can change the color of it. So go with black, go with gray, anything right there. I'm going to stick with red just since that looks kind of like a labor union color, since a lot of them use red in their imagery. I'm sure you guys probably know why, just since based off the history by now. So let's add a text box. So you can choose a text body, a subtitle 3, subtitle 2, normal subtitle, or a title. So this right here, this is a title. So then let's move this stuff down. It's not really that just so I can show you what you're doing. So I can add a subtitle right here. Oh, sorry. And drag it over. and then you can click on the text, delete that, and then you can type whatever you want there. So, unite the workers is what I'm putting there just for filler. And then you can change the color of it up here. So right now the color is black. Let's make it white just so it's a little more, it matches everything else. So then I'll shrink the box down a little bit so it lines up with everything. So then it says Unite the Workers, Federation of U.S. Workers. Actually, let's change that. Let's change that to laborers. Labor. Unite the laborers. So there's a lot of different things with this. A lot of it just text-wise. There are different tools you can use where you can add in videos into it if you really wanted to. You can also, with like an image right here, you can add a link to it. So like, let's see, what do I want to send to a website for you guys to go to? Let's look at like history, the Homestead Strike history website. This is from history.com. Probably don't want to use it. Just, it has good information, but it's probably not going to be enough for what you want to do. But for what I'm doing, it's not as important. So then you just copy and paste like what I did over here from the URL, and you'll copy and paste it into this, and there you go. You have added the link in, and so now when you preview it, you can click on the image, and it will send you straight to the website like that. That makes sense, doesn't it? So let's go back to this. Yeah, so you can basically link in different things through this. Let's exit the preview thing. And you can add different graphics. You can upload images. You can change the background. You can add different text. You can add text frames as well. I haven't really used those before, but they're nice. They can make your infographic look really nice and well-designed. Oh, you don't really need that up there. Just, there you go. Yeah, so that's going to be about it for this. Thank you for watching my video about how to use the PictoChart website and how to make infographics with it. Oh, okay, and before you're done, when you want to share it, you can download your thing, and if you want to share it with me, it will create a link preview for you for it, where it's like this right here, and that will be what you'll want to share with me when you want to present your infographics in class. Or if you want to print them out, you can do that as well. So again, thank you for oh yeah, and then there you go, there's your link, and so you can do that. So thank you guys for watching this video about how to use the infographic material, and I hope you guys are gonna have fun working on this activity. Thank you. Bye.